Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just most changes everything. This viral gem is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just most changes everything. This viral gem is literally everywhere right now.